Hi there, welcome back once again in today's video, which is going to be about empties. I've collected a whole lot of junk in the past few months, so I'll be very quick with these empties right here in front of me. If you want to know anything more about any of the products that I'm going to talk about in this video, please feel free to write them down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So I have with me a selection of products that I absolutely enjoyed and have multiples of in here, and some that I really did not care for. So let's start with the video here, and I'll start with one of my absolute favorite products, and which is from the brand Milkshake. It is their whipped cream leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love this conditioner. I've talked about this conditioner for years. It has such a beautiful vanilla frosting kind of a scent and such a beautiful texture. It does not weigh down your hair. My daughter has very fine straight hair. I use this conditioner on her hair and it has never weighed down her hair. It smoothen out the tangles, it gives that little shine to her hair and like really smoothens her hair out, and so does mine. I absolutely love this conditioner, and like I told you, I have purchased once again. We are never out of this conditioner in our house, and like I told you, I absolutely love it and would highly recommend and will continue to repurchase until unless Milkshake decides not to make it anymore. It comes in variety of forms I like, but my favorite is in whipped cream with milk proteins. There is one which has papayas printed here. I absolutely did not like that one. The scent was so off and it did not left that amazing softness that this one leaves, so be careful. Go for the whipped one right here, not the papaya one. So I absolutely loved that one. Another one of my repurchase here is this detox shampoo from ouai. This is the empty, this is the new one. We have already repurchased. I'm never out of this one. It is such a beautiful clarifying shampoo that does not strip your hair, cleanses them beautifully, gives that bounce, shine and life back to my hair. I apply such shampoos once a week. This is not an everyday shampoo, so I go for something like this once a week, and it, like I just told you, it gives the life back to the hair, and yeah, it makes them ready to go for another week. Okay, next up, one of our very favorites, basic body wash, Dove. You can never go wrong with Dove. This is something that we use, we love and always repurchase. This is the deep moisture scent. We love basically every scent that Dove makes. This is the general one. I absolutely love it and would highly recommend Dove for anyone. Next up, we have a few more body washes. Let's go through them. This is Rouge Love Story from Treaclemoon. It had a very flowery scent. I liked it, but towards the end it was a little too overpowering, so I won't be going for this particular scent. But they have a bunch of other scents which I like to try, but this was a good one. But like I told you, it got a little too overpowering towards the end, so that's about it. But these body washes are good. They do not dry out the skin. They do not leave your skin feeling dry or stripped and nothing like that. So they often go on sale on Tira or Nika, so keep an eye on them. Good body washes. Next one is this one from Bathing Culture. This is what, Mind and body wash. It was an okay body wash. I won't be paying the price for something like this. Bathing culture did not go well with me from the very start. I didn't like any of their products that I tried, so no, this was a no-go. The one product that I absolutely loved from Treaclemoon was this one, the Sunny Brazilian Love. This body wash is an exact dupe of this thing right here. If you do not want to spend your money on Sol de Janeiro, go for Brazilian Love from Treaclemoon. They smell exactly the same, though this one has a much creamier formula, but when you use them in the shower, they smell exactly the same, leave the exact same scent on your body, gives you the exact same experience in the shower. So I won't be repurchasing this thing again. This is the thing that would be coming back for sure in my shower. This is going to be one of the staple scents in our shower routines from now on. I absolutely love this, and this thing 80% of time is always out of stock, so keep an eye and grab this one before it goes out of stock once again. I am keeping an eye, it's still not in stock. Okay, next up I have this. I finally finished this True Worker from Free and True. I'm very lazy with my body moisturization. I love to apply body oils in my shower routine, so I'm very lazy with the body butters and lotions after my shower. So it takes me quite a time to go through products like this, but this is a very beautiful product from this particular brand. Free and True has Body Profit, which is really hyped up, but I really like the Body Worker more than the Body Profit. It has much beautiful scent, and I really do love it. These body creams are lotions. They are not very greasy, but they do hydrate your skin very beautifully. So I absolutely love this Body Worker, and once I'm through with the horrendous amount of body lotions that are left with me, I can see myself repurchasing this thing from them once again. Moving on, let's get on with a random thing. These are the 3 disgusting looking toothpastes that I finished up. You can definitely see these are from the brand called Fang. You can definitely see the favorites here. Active black toothpaste, absolutely love it. These are great toothpastes here. This is the Farm Mint. I really do not enjoy the Farm Mint or the Forent Essence from this particular brand. Charcoal is my favorite, but I'm trying something different now, and I'm loving it to the core. Like, I never felt that I would deter from something like this, but that particular toothpaste that I'm trying right now is brilliant. Like, I'll be telling about that very soon. Next up, let's talk about, I'm just grabbing things and moving ahead. This is Bathing Culture Body Oil. Like all other products, did not enjoy this, would not repurchase, do not suggest. That's about it. Another body oil that I have with me, like I told you, I am a body oil kind of a person. I do not enjoy sitting and layering on body lotions and creams. I am somebody who is like rubbing oil, taking a shower and getting off. This was from One Love Organics Gardenia Plus Tea. I did not really enjoyed this applicator here, and do not care for this particular oil. There are certain favorites from this particular brand for me, but this oil really did not work very well. It was first of all, the applicator here always had this stream of oil coming out, and I really did not enjoy the scent also, so I would not be repurchasing anything like that particular body oil from them. So next up I have these two serums from Novology. These are their Bi-Phase serum. I've talked about these particular serums in my previous empties as well. I'm taking a break from them because I've used multiples of this particular serum, liked them, they have worked beautifully well on my skin. These were the serums that I could use on my skin when my skin was going through a very stressed phase. They never irritated my skin and worked wonders on the pigmentation and the redness issues as well. So if you haven't tried anything from Novology, I would highly suggest, and you have acne prone, sensitive, oily skin, I highly suggest that you try out their face wash and their serums. Earlier it was called their PHA serum. Now I don't know if they have changed the name, but their serums that controls the oiliness, that one is brilliant as well. So I absolutely love this brand and I highly suggest that you try out their products. They are really, really good. Next up I have this cleansing foam from Innisfree. It is the green tea hydrating cleansing foam. Tell me, is it only me or you also feel that Innisfree has changed their formulations? Because the things that were my favorites earlier really do not work for me anymore. Same goes for this particular cleanser here. Every time I tried to use this cleanser on my face, it really irritated my skin. Like, I had a very bad reaction on my skin with this particular cleanser. I don't know why, how, what happened, no idea. I had used this cleanser back in the years and had absolute no irritations with it, but this time around this thing really did not work for me. I ended up using it as my body wash. So I am just taking a break from Innisfree. I've talked about their hair mask as well, their amino something hair mask, the recipe something hair mask that I used to love back in the day. That too didn't work with me. This cleanser didn't work with me, so I'm really taking a break from Innisfree and would not be trying anything more from them, at least for now. So let's talk about some hair growth serums, which like I was talking about in my previous videos. So these are the three that I tried from the brand Wishcare. So you know that I gave them a good go, but my favorite are the one from Minimalist. These were not bad, but I saw no visible results with them. Like, I was not expecting a major hair growth, but I was expecting at least some reduction in the hair shedding, which didn't happen, but it did happen with the Minimalist serum. So I do not see myself repurchasing them in future. I'll stick with Minimalist for now. Next up, I also gave this hair serum, the Savy Scalp Revival, a try. This one has Jamal Gota and rosemary. Jamal Gota is very hyped up these days as a hair oil and in serums. This one was a decent hair product, but I would suggest that you should do a patch test with something like this before going full on. I could not use this serum on a daily basis because I believe more than Jamal Gota, rosemary does not agree with my scalp, because I've tried using rosemary hydrosol on my scalp and it really irritates my scalp. I get red patches whenever I try to use rosemary on my scalp. So that's pretty much it. I really try to stay away from products that have high concentration of rosemary in here. So that is the main reason I believe that this thing irritated my scalp a bit, and that was the reason I could not use this product on a daily basis. Otherwise, it's a very good product. I I liked it better than the wishcare one. So if I could only use it daily and see, could tell you how it really worked on my scalp on a daily basis. But that's it. The other hair product that I really did not enjoyed is this scalp scrub from the brand Grandma's Secrets. Now I really do not like to talk bad about small Indian brands, but this scalp scrub, though there is still some left in here, it really did not work for me. It was such a pain in the ass to, you know, just get off from my hair. Like, I really tried really hard to get everything off from my hair, but every time, even after washing it thoroughly with water, there was still some bits and pieces and some grittiness that was left on my scalp, and I really did not enjoy that. After what do you call it, after washing my hair, that grittiness that it left on my scalp, I really did not enjoy it. So this is something that I would not be repurchasing. Moving on, the products that I really enjoyed, these hair products, are these two ampoules from Lador. I have been using these ampoules from a very long time. It's been years since I have been using these ampoules. I have two more that are left. These are brand new. I finished these two. These are not something that I go for on a regular basis. This is something that I apply on special occasions, like, okay, so these are not the regular day-to-day products for me. Oh, one of the minimalist things that I did not enjoy and I should have incorporated in my previous videos was this ascorbic acid lip balm. This one chapped my lips like no other. I had such a bad reaction to this lip balm. Every time I tried to apply this, I felt it made my lips much more dry and dehydrated, I would say, than they were before applying this particular lip balm, and it had a very bad scent as well, so really did not enjoy it. This is Plum Rice Water Niacinamide Sunscreen. Broke me out real bad. I had a big reaction on my skin, a big rash that appeared after I applied it. Would not go for it. Net Habit Hydra Lift Gel made my skin felt so very dry, dehydrated, tight, and no, won't go for that either. Argireline solution from The Ordinary, so absolute. This is the third bottle that I finished up. I could see no extraordinary results from using something like this. Maybe if you have a little deeper set of wrinkles, you might see some changes in your skin. For me, it was just an added step that gave me no, noticeable results. So this is something that I won't be repurchasing anytime soon, but in future I might need something like this. So that's pretty much it for the empties today. My camera battery is running very low, so I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, have a good day, and